everyone. Today our group is presenting role play interview. Role play interview is an exercise where candidates act out a scenario with a group or an interviewer to determine how suitable the candidate is for a particular role.
As we know that after schooling, students are going in colleges and that time they are supposed to give this interview. Role play interview tests that how candidate might approach difficult situations that frequently occur in an education world. In interview, confidence is the key. If you go in interview weak, nervous and fail to deal with the scenario confidently and professionally, then you will be given a negative feedback. Make sure that you know what you are doing in a particular scenario and make sure to display positive body language.
Role play interview are one of the best ways of testing a candidate on their suitability for a specific position.
What is the purpose of college interview?
An admission interview serves multiple purposes. It personalizes you as a candidate by giving you the opportunity to share information about yourself beyond what is listed on your transcript. It also shows you that you don't just look good on paper. You can also talk. At a college interview, you will generally discuss your goals and the reasons you want to attend the college, also as well as about the college.
May I get it?
Yes. Please sit.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, Sujal, tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Myself is Sujali Deoriya and I have completed my 10th and 12th from an accredited school.
Tell me something more.
Okay, I completed my 10th and 12th both from the same school, that is Cornwall Convent School, Manasa. And I am an extrovert person. My hobbies are listening music, playing cricket and football, and I like to travel a lot. That's all about me.
10th marks are low as compared to 12th.
Ma'am, in 10th board exam, I was suffering from malaria, so it was a little bit less.
Okay, don't worry, 10th marks doesn't matter a lot.
Which type of course you want to do here and why?
I want to do BBA plus MBA integrated course because further completing my UG and PG courses, I want to build my own startup.
Oh, so you want to become an entrepreneur?
Yeah, ma'am, exactly.
Okay, so you want to become an entrepreneur. You can also do job in MNC and you can earn enough through it. Then why?
Because ma'am, if I do a job also in MNC, then my growth will stagnate only. Like if my starting package was about 10 lakhs per year also, then after 5 to 10 years also it may be around 50 to 60 lakhs annually. Not more than that. Am I right, ma'am?
But in my opinion, if you want to open a startup, you can also do just after BBA and entrepreneurship. Then why are you choosing MBA?
Yeah, ma'am. I am totally agreeing with your concern. But to be an entrepreneur, the skills of management was also required. Entrepreneurship is not sufficient, I think. To manage an organization, management involves coordination. And coordination is the most important part of any organization. So that's why I am planning to do BBA and MBA both.
Okay, great. Was there any social motive or objective to become an entrepreneur?
Yes, ma'am. The social objective behind this is to provide job opportunities for BPO or unemployed category people, so they can also grow with me.
Okay, good.
Can we give you a task to check your confidence level to pursue BBA in entrepreneurship?
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Okay, suppose you are a salesman and you are here to sell this pen. So go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. This is an excellent pen and I am from Cello Butterflow company. So our company launches a new pen that is Cello Butterflow and it has an excellent cap which enhances our personality when we put it in our front pocket like this. And it has this transparent slide also through which we can measure the quantity of ink in it. And it has a rubber grip also, which is a splash proof grip, and its ink also its ink is also waterproof. So if we write something on paper and if there was water and if water put it on, so there was no problem. Its ink was waterproof, and it has many variants also like black, blue, green, and red. My variant was of blue color because the blue pen was most common in it, and its refill was also very less in price. It was just only rupees 3 rupees per piece.
Okay, good. Okay, good idea. Is there any scheme or discount?
Yes, sir. If you buy a packet of 4 pens, then the fifth one is free for you. And if you buy full box of it, which will contain almost 10 pens, you will get 2 pens inside it free.
Oh, that's impressive. Then what was the price of it?
Basically, if you buy an individual pen, then it will cost you around 10 rupees per piece. But if you buy a whole packet or box of it, then it will cost you only 8 rupees per piece.
Okay, that's a great salesmanship ability.
So Sujal, we see your entrepreneurship ability which was required for BBA, but for MBA it is remaining. So can you tell me something about management?
Yes, ma'am. The management is a very wider concept, but if we explain it in 2 to 3 lines, then it will be management means performing a task in a systematic way. That is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And it can be achieved only with a deliberate process of a management that is called coordination. Coordination means proper understanding between employer and employee.
That's fantastic. This was the definition which we want to hear from your side. So now your interview is over.
If there is any query, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. Was there anything from my side that concerns you?
Okay, Sujal, we liked your confidence and body language. We are thinking to invite you for GG day after tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. I definitely come.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I come in?
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning. Please sit. Thank you.
Okay, Kushani, tell me about yourself.
Thank you for this opportunity to talk about myself. I am Kushali Rohit Mandle. I am from Manasa, state Madhya Pradesh. I recently completed my BCom from Symbiosis College in Pune. I also completed a one-year diploma course in interior designing. My hobbies are reading books, listening music. I like to learn new things. I am a very extrovert person, and I also like to play volleyball and also like to watch cricket matches.
You tell that you like to read books. So tell us that which type of books do you like to read most?
Actually, I like to read every types of books, but especially I like to read some fantasy and mysterious and some adventurous books like Harry Potter, The Journey to the Center of the Earth, Jungle Book, and many more.
Okay, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is adaptation, and also I'm a very hardworking girl. And my weaknesses are I can't say no to anyone, and also I'm very impatient.
Have you chosen this university for MBA?
During my graduation, I searched many colleges and university, and I went to some colleges also, and I also came to Vishwakarma University. I think the environment of the university is very well, and I also talked to some professors of this college, and I think they told me very well, and also the placement of this college is about 90%. So this thing made me to choose this university.
What you know about management?
Process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently.
What are your short-term and long-term goals?
Short-term goal should be concrete and achievable, while the long-term goal should be lying up with the patient and personality. I should include at least a couple of business and career-oriented goal, so I can show how an MBA would play a part in helping achieve.
Okay, we like your interview, so we think to call you on GD day after tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Can I get it?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you so much.
Okay, tell me something about yourself.
Sure. I am Alimuli Khan and complete my 10 plus 2 from the Carmel Convent School of Manasa. I am an enthusiastic and determined girl and was always want to learn new things and always ready to face the challenges and try to find the solutions for the every opportunities I get.
Why you choose commerce stream?
Actually, in my opinion, commerce is a vast subject which provide many types of business opportunities to the students after 12th, and it was a vast subject for the every students. So I choose this stream, and for the its subjects like accountancy, business, which are the helpful in our future. That's why I choose this commerce subject.
Tell me about your strength and weakness.
Go.
Sure. Well, according to me, my strength was I am a determined, enthusiastic, and courageous girl. And by my point of view, my weaknesses are I am a little bit talkative and was impatient and curious to learn the new things, and sometimes which leads to difficulties for me and creates problems. So that's are my weaknesses and strengths.
How will you contribute to our college community?
Well, by my side, I am trying to my best to contribute our college in my best by 3 ways, like by becoming a good student of my teachers, and by being a part of every school activities, and by being not become a problem for anyone. So by this doing, I am trying to do my best for our college community and etc.
Go.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In the next few years, I want to expand and increase my skills in my work, and I want professional skills which make me professional and experience in my opportunity which I get in my work, and I want to get a fixed position, a best position in my workplace, and this was my short-term goal for next 5 years. Thank you.
How do you handle stress and pressure?
I react toward the situation rather than the stress, and I am capable in doing the work in a challenging environment, and I found that I am working with enjoyment in the challenging environment, and it makes us professional and experienced in challenging environment to face every challenges which we face and become professional in it. So by doing a work in that environment, we will lose out the stress and do our work with the creativity and with the enjoyment.
Go.
If you get the opportunity to become a leader, what quality a leader should have?
Well, we know that the leader was known for his best work towards his team and towards the society. So, a leader is best known for his honesty, his humanity towards others, and which make them a best leader. So, the need was he should be courageous, determined, and he was towards of his goal, and was always ready to face the challenges, and was able to make the path in the every type of situations which occur in completing the goal of their teams. So, like that, he become a good leader.
What are the 3 words that describe yourself?
Go.
Well, according to me, I am a determined, enthusiastic, and courageous girl. That 3 words describe me.
Go.
Why? What is the reason behind this?
Well, I thought that I am capable in handling situations and challenges, so I can see myself as I am determined, because determined persons are those who can do their goal, who can work in any situations and handle any situation difficulties. So I am capable in it. So I called myself as determined, and I always want to learn and curious to learn new things. So I called myself an enthusiastic and courageous, because I am in any situation I decided my goal and I focus on it.
Okay, do you have any queries to ask?
No, I don't have any queries or any questions to ask. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's great. You are invited for GE after tomorrow, okay?
Thank you so much.
May I come in?
Yes. Please. And good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Harsh, tell me about yourself.
I am Harsh and a student of Chandigarh, and I am a computer engineer from Chandigarh University. I earned my bachelor's degree in 2018. My father is also an engineer and he heads a logistics company, and my mother is a housewife, and I have been working with an online education startup called extrastudy.com for the last 2 years.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength, I am very hardworking, flexible and good team worker, and also I have excellent learning abilities.
What are the qualities that manager pursue?
According to me, communication is what differentiates between a good and a normal manager. A good manager should be able to communicate clearly with its team. A good manager should be able to motivate the team and should be ready to take feedback from them.
Why do you want to pursue MBA?
I decided to do MBA when I was in the second year of my BTech. Additionally, I planned to do MBA 2 years after completing my engineering course because I wanted some work experience before joining MBA. My decision to pursue MBA is based on better career opportunities, good career growth in the organization, and I will be better qualified to do something which I like.
Okay, why should we select you?
I wish to be an entrepreneur and have planned to start my own business 5 years from now, and therefore to manage various aspects of business successfully. I would require good knowledge of sales, marketing, logistics, HR, and finance. And there is nothing better than an MBA program to study these subjects in a systematic manner. And I am very serious about starting my business, and I am sure that MBA will help me to better in program in my business management.
Okay, Harsh. Do you have any queries?
Did anything in my interview that concerns you?
Okay, we liked your interview and you are invited for GD day after tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you may leave.